Hey guys, welcome back to RC Geeks. This build is very unexpected, and it's gonna be a really fun build. So to get started, the first step of this project was the frame. I got this kit from Etsy. It was around $275, and then plus tax it ended around $350 and shipping. So it's an expensive project, but for now we just tack welded it. So we just have the frame just looking like the frame instead of just pieces, and soon we're gonna finish fully welding it. This kit is a drift trike. It's a 3-wheeler, so it's 2 wheels in the back and 1 in the front. This kit's gonna be running a Predator 212cc engine, the standard for like go-karts and drift trikes, mini bikes, big bikes. And we're gonna be, as we go along with this build, we're going to be putting the axle in, the front fork, the seat, everything, pedals, everything. So stick along with this project, and we'll be posting a lot of videos. As I said, this kit, it's a DIY kit, do it yourself. You have to weld it all yourself. So we just tack welded it for now. This kit comes with 15 pieces. It's a pretty nice kit. That's why the shipping was super expensive. So for the engine mount, we're gonna weld this thick sheet metal. It's 9x10. It's gonna go like this, and then the Predator is gonna sit on top of it. And we're also gonna get these little coin type things. They don't come with the kit, but this is like custom, so if water gets in there, it doesn't rust or anything. So we're gonna weld them on like this, and it should keep it watertight.